And this number is used to set how many pieces you need. For example, this line wire. This is the line wire, huh? For example, this line wire, I need 50 pieces. And here you set 50 pieces. After set well, you click reset. And then it will begin work. And 50 pieces, when you set 50 pieces, it will go cut one pieces, go cut another pieces. When it gets 49 pieces, the last pieces have you not cut. Then you need to click this one, manual cut, click cut, and then 50 pieces you will get. But if you click here, maybe not work. Why not work? Because here, this is auto, this is manual. When the machine is working automatically, working cut, this is automatically. When it's working automatically, the manual button is not working. So you need to change into this one, manual, and then you click this part, then work.